So good morning students. Today in this chapter I am going to explain about clinical thermometer children. Children, generally when we are suffering from fever, our body temperature increases. Can you find children how much the body temperature has increased without any instruments? Obviously we cannot. We cannot find how much temperature has been increased without any instrument. So generally children, to measure human body temperature, doctors use a thermometer to find out the temperature of human bodies. It is called clinical thermometer children. So children here, observe here, it is a clinical thermometer. So various parts are written here: constriction, mercury bulb, 95 degree Fahrenheit, 98 Fahrenheit, 110 Fahrenheit, 104 Fahrenheit, and 110 Fahrenheit, and capillary tube. And this is a normal temperature of the human body and triangle system. So these are the parts of the clinical thermometers. So whenever we suffer fever, obviously our body gets high temperature. So without any device, we cannot say absolutely the temperature that body has. So to measure the temperature accurately, doctors use a thermometer to find out the temperature of our bodies. It is called a clinical thermometer. So this is a clinical thermometer children. And now hold the clinical thermometer in your hand and observe it carefully. Now you can hold a clinical thermometer in your hand and observe carefully. Children, you observe there are two types of scales marked on it, children. There are two types of scales marked on the clinical thermometer. One that starts with 35 degrees and hence or 45 degrees. So 35 degrees to and hence 45 degrees to one scale. This is 35 degrees to 45 degrees in Celsius scales. And while the other that starts from 95 degrees and ends with 110 degree Fahrenheit scale. So one is children 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. This is in Celsius scale. And second one is 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So these two scales are observed on clinical thermometer children. Children, do you see any kink in the capillary tube near the bulb, children? Yes. There is a kink. This is called kink, children. Kink. K-I-N-K. We observe there is a kink near the capillary tube, on the capillary tube near the bulb of the mercury, children. So what is the main functioning of the kink, children, here? So children, it do not allow mercury falls down once if it is measured the body temperature. Until unless if you jerk it or if you shake it, the mercury level will come down and steadily at its previous place. So the major role of kink in the capillary tube, which is there near the mercury bulb, is which do not allow the level of the mercury in the capillary tube after finding the temperature of the human body, children. Children, you know very well, reading the Fahrenheit scales on thermometer, children. Generally, the readings in the Fahrenheit scale, already told you 95 to 110 degree Fahrenheit, children. The temperature difference indicated between the two bigger marks. Also we can note down, children, the number of divisions between these marks. Suppose two consecutive bigger marks differ by 1 degree, children. Two consecutive bigger marks differ by 1 degree, and there are 5 divisions between them. Then one small division reads 1 by 5 equal 0.2 Fahrenheit. 1 by 5 equal to 0.2 400 degrees. So, children, how we can use clinical thermometer, children? How we can measure temperature of human body by using clinical thermometer? Children, before you start measuring the temperature of the human body, first we have to wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution. Children, we have to wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution. Now hold it firmly by the end of the end and give a few jugs. Hold it firmly, very tightly by the end and give it few jugs. These jugs will bring the level of mercury down and ensure that it falls below 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius. 35 degrees Celsius, in bracket 98 degrees Fahrenheit. In bracket 98 or 95, sorry, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. 95 degrees Fahrenheit. We have to see that the level of the mercury should be lies below the 35 degrees Celsius. If it is Fahrenheit scale, it should be below 95 degrees Celsius. Now place the thermometer under your tongue. Here you can keep, children. The bulb of the thermometer. The bulb of thermometer must be kept under your tongue or armpit. Here also you can keep armpit. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the readings. It tells your body temperature. So after 1 minute or 2 minutes, take out the thermometer from under the tongue or under the armpit, and now take the thermometer out and readings. Note down the readings. It tells your body temperature, children. What did you record as your body temperature? Definitely, when it is placed under the tongue or under the armpit, you take out. So at some point, the level of the mercury will be steadily there. Okay, so especially if you take out, we can say easily if the clinical thermometer shows more than 37 degrees Celsius or more than 98.4 Fahrenheit, then we can say that the person is suffering with fever. If it's 35, see children here, exactly I am telling you, 36.9 degrees Celsius, 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. If this is the normal temperature of the human body, so once anyone find out the temperature of the human body, if it is more than 37 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale, if it is more than 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale, then the person is suffering with the fever, children. So like that, we can easily find out the temperature of the body. Children, you know very well, feel the body temperature of some of your friends, for example, by placing your hand and just guard their forehead, estimate the temperature and record in the table. Generally, we can estimate the temperature by placing our hand on his forehead, but it's not absolute. Now take a clinical thermometer and record the temperature of the human body. For example, 4 or 5 friends, you can take up 4 to 5 of your friends. You can measure. There is a lot of difference. Estimated temperature is different from the practically observed temperature with the help of a clinical thermometer is different. So if you compare the values, definitely you know very well, the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons is known as normal temperature. So like that, you can take 4 to 5 students, 4 to 5 persons temperatures and take out their average temperatures of a large number of healthy persons, and that is known as normal temperature, that is 98.4 Fahrenheit scales, and if it is Celsius scales, 36.9 degree Celsius, children. So thermistor is actually one more, thermistor, thermometer, children. One more device is there, improvised device, that is the thermistor or thermometer. It is available in market to measure the human body temperature, particularly for infants and children. So this is thermistor as thermometer is the device to measure the temperature of the infants and children. Very, very small things, because why we can use this thermistor or thermometer, children? Suppose if you take a clinical thermometer, the children cannot hold under their armpit or under their tongue. So it's very difficult because they are very naughty and infants very small age. So such type of people's temperature must be measured with the help of a thermistor or thermometer, children. Okay. So one more thermometer is there, children, that is digital thermometer. I'll explain you later. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day, children.